Hello guys, this is not your usual video where I used to teach you about how to make money online, but what we are making today is more than just money. This is about you taking a bold step, that step that your competitors haven't taken. You are going to take it right now as I'm speaking to you. This is about me waking up in the morning, scrolling through my tablet and finding out that there's something trending right now, and that is Thread. Oh no, not this one. I'm talking about a new app by Instagram that is booming everywhere right now and that is skyrocketing every form of business. You want to know much about it, right? Now move closer. Let me make it clear to you. This is something that is trending, and whenever anything is trending, you just have to jump into it, no matter your niche or your industry. This is something that is trending on social media, booming a lot of businesses. You can remember when Instagram just came in or TikTok just came in and you ignored it. There are many businesses that are making a lot of money now just because they take advantage of it. Now there are many AI out there, many artificial intelligence, many new technologies, and you haven't taken advantage of it. But me, I'm forcing you right now to take this advantage of downloading this new app right now. I'm going to explain everything about this app to you and why this app is better than Twitter and other social media that you might have seen on the internet today. If you don't know anything about Thread or you are just hearing it for the first time, then I want you to pay close attention to everything I'll be saying in this video. This is a very serious video and I want you to take it as a very personal something because it has to do with your career and your business. So pay close attention to everything I'll be saying in this video right now. Thread is a new social media app and it's an app that many people have been downloading. Why? Because it is owned by a parent company that owns Twitter, Instagram, and of course Facebook. So why wouldn't you take action of downloading it? And this is something that is now competing with Twitter, which is making Twitter very unhappy. And this is obvious in a recent tweet by Elon Musk. Elon Musk is actually unhappy about this and he's actually showing it by tweeting in his recent tweet where he said, I spent $44 billion for this app. And now Lizard Boy, where I don't know it, he just decided to hit a copy and paste. It's personal now. See you in the cage, Zuck. Now, this is something that many people are wondering, who is he referring to? This shouldn't come as a surprise because within its first 24 hours of launching, Thread already amassed 30 million sign-up. That is more than the number of sign-up that ChatGPT already had, and it has even broken a world record. This is the exact reason why you need to open a Thread account right now, because it's one of the fastest growing social media network in the world right now, and many people are going into it. By the time I start showing you how to open a Thread account, you would have found most of your favorite celebrities on the internet. Now I'll be exposing you to some special features about Thread. Thread support text-based posts, videos, or photos that are like 500 characters. And also, you can share clickable links. The most interesting part of it is that you can repost and reply just like Twitter. Most of its features look more like Twitter. Maybe that's the reason why Elon Musk is so furious about it. And I'll be showing you everything in just a single while. Users can sign up for Thread using their Instagram account. So if you already have an Instagram account, then the journey is as smooth as possible for you. So if you are ready to sign up for Thread right now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link down below. You can also visit your Google Play Store to search for it.
I will be installing Threads right now. It's not hard to install. First thing you need to do is to visit your Google Play Store and search for Threads from Instagram. Now there are many threads here, so you have to be very careful when selecting. Now this particular one was developed by Instagram, unlike the other fake ones, so you have to avoid those ones and click on the one that was actually developed by Instagram. So click on it, and the next thing you need to do is to click on install. So allow it to install. Alright guys, now that we have installed our Thread, the next thing you need to do is to open it, and as you can see, it has this Instagram kind of, color scheme. So the only way we can actually sign up for Threads right now is through Instagram. Alright, so this wouldn't be an issue at all, okay? So it actually wants me to sign up with a particular Instagram account, which I won't like to sign up with. So I'll prefer signing up with my Olawap Media account, which is this here. So I'm signed in. Alright, so Olawap Media. So under bio, you can actually add everything about you and many other things you would like to add about yourself, just like you have it under your bio on Instagram, on Facebook and all that, and you can go and copy it in your Facebook or your Instagram or anywhere you want to copy it and post it just right here. Alright, so and under link here you can actually add your website link, your external link, or any other kind of link you have. For instance, now my YouTube account is youtube.com. alright, https alright /youtube.com /@allowupmedia. Alright, so and you can also import your links and co from your Instagram, and everything will be there. Like my website is allowupmedia.com.ng. That's my former website. I'm no longer using that website right now. So then you click on this mark here and save. Under your bill too, you can actually import it also from Instagram. It's the right place to skyrocket your business, blah blah blah. Then save. Then under this profile picture, you can import your profile picture from Instagram too. That's my logo over there. So you can import as many things as possible from Instagram. Okay, then click continue. Now setting it up is very fast, just like you can see. Then under your profile, you can set it public, you can set it private. If you set it public, anyone on or off thread can see it or share, interact with your content. But if you set it private, only your approved followers can see whatever you are doing and they can interact with your content. So I would prefer setting it as public, then click continue. Now the next thing is to follow the same account. Do you want to follow the same account that you've been following on your Instagram account? Do you want to be following them on threads? If your answer is no, you can just skip this and proceed by clicking the arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Then now they are telling us how thread work. They say it was powered by Instagram. Then there are many other things that were listed there, so you need to carefully read through everything right here. Okay, so by joining thread, you agree to the meta terms and thread supplemental terms. Okay, so then click on join threads. Alright, so setting it up is just very, very simple. It's not hard at all. So right now we have Brother Shaggy is already there, Obi Kubana is already there. So many people are already on threads, and Instablog Niger, they are already there. Lasisi Elenu, they are already there. So you can always come here to have fun, just like every other this thing. Alright, so people are requesting to follow me right now, so I can easily click confirm, and confirm. I can also choose to go to my profile. This is my profile, and drop something. Okay, so let's assume I want to write something. I can easily type it here. Good to finally made it here. Now a perfect alternative for Twitter. Alright, so let me put a little emoji. Alright, so I can actually click on add thread here. I'm not capping. Alright, so I can still add another thread here. Alright, so follow me on other social media to see what I've got in stock for you. So you can always add threads. Okay, then once you are done, you can click post, and you can add image too if you want to add image, but I'm not adding image right now. Alright, so you can then the next thing is to click on post. is bad, that's why it's taking time. All right, now we have posted it, so you can reload and you can find yourself here. All right, so many people have been verified already. All right, so that's how beautiful thread is. If you want to search for anyone, you can search for just anyone here. Okay, you can follow Obi Cubana. I can follow him right now. All right, legit.ng, Black Bones, the cute Abiola, they are all here. Okay, so you can actually follow as many people as you want right here, and you can write your thread right here. And this place is where you see your notifications. You can actually check it out. So that's how beautiful thread is. There are many other things that are involved in thread, like you can actually like, just like the way it is on Twitter. You can like, you can comment, you can retweet. So I think this one will be like retweet. Okay, and you can actually share it, or add to your own story, or add to your tweet. I don't know. So that's the reason why Elon Musk is accusing Mark Zuckerberg for using his trademark and all of that. So it's something that is very beautiful that you can actually make very good use of.
Thread is just getting started, and if you want to build your business or your career, this is a great opportunity to start with. Remember, there's less competition compared to other platforms who already have billions of users. So it will be easy for you to go viral in this new platform. One simple tip I can give you right now is to stay consistent. Consistency is the key. Ensure you share this and subscribe. See you at the top.